Nina and Earl raised their boys in this mid-century home where they all still live together.
But now there's so much work that I'm ready to go.
We haven't given it the tender loving care that it needs. It could be something special. It's a great community. This is where we need to be.
Let's go into the bedrooms, basically, to take your coat off.
People come in, they hand us the coats. It's not a problem.
The living room is a big space that could work, but doesn't. Nobody spends any time here. There's a fireplace that doesn't work. It doesn't make any sense.
We don't have space for an ensuite, but there's a basement shower too, and more room for the boys to hang out down there. The kids are here. They enjoy the space with their friends. We have a workout room that's really not utilized. Probably a space where we need to put our laundry.
The laundry room is misplaced. It is in the middle of our house. Welcome to our laundry closet. It's near the side entrance, it's near the front entrance.
The laundry room can be moved downstairs.
Then our guests get to see this, the junk room. So it's supposed to be a dining room, but actually it's where everything gets dumped when people come in. It's never been used as a dining room.
It'd be great to have a dining room that would function. This kitchen needs work, it really does, but it's got great potential. The kitchen is where everybody gathers.
And here, looks like an island, but on the other side of the island is our swim-up bar. To get into the pool, you have to take the stairs down. There's levels going up from here. There's levels going down from there.
The levels are classic mid-century. I love the character of this house.
They got a lot going on as you walk in.
It is a lot already, I can see, but all that thing with different levels.
Up and down and... So when do you think you noticed that it really just wasn't working?
About 10 years ago, David.
About 10 years ago?
Yeah.
We were so busy with the boys, so there was zero time.
The great thing is you're doing it now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I've done an evaluation on your home.
Okay.
Demand is high and inventory is low, so current value is $1.2 million. Okay?
Okay.
Who wants to stay, who wants to go?
I want to go.
So then, I believe I'm getting the list from you.
I'm not leaving this house.
I've heard that before. So, what's the list?
It has to have an open concept, modern main floor, an updated kitchen that's functional. It has to have 3 bedrooms, 3 large bathrooms,
Okay.
nice finished basement.
And in terms of neighborhood?
I would like to stay in this area. We have friends in the neighborhood. We're close to the highways.
What is the budget for the new house?
$1.4 million.
All right, let's see what I can do with that and keep you in this neighborhood. Over to you.
Tell me what I need to do to turn this into the home that is the place for you.
The thing that grew old for me really early is that there's no front door to our
So
house.
strange.
That's very strange.
I need you to relocate the front entrance. I need curb appeal to the front yard. I want to drive up to my house, and it's got to be a little bit sexy.
I agree, I get it.
It's got to be a sexy house.
I get it.
I really want a beautiful updated kitchen with an island and lots of storage space. We need to update the powder room, renovate the hallway bathroom. We need a laundry room makeover with storage. And finally, a remodeled living room.
So, tell me what my budget is.
Your budget is $140,000.
So, that's a nice big chunk of money.
Yep.
That was a really big scope of work. Well, obviously, this can't function as 2 levels. So the only way to turn this into a kitchen that works is to bring that floor up, which means the door needs to come up too. I'll give them added storage with cabinetry along this wall. And there will be an island where we're standing. And the eating area on the new raised floor. I want to incorporate this bedroom with that bedroom. That linen closet will be demolished, and there will be access from here into the principal sanctuary. I could give them a walk-in closet, and I can give them a small but really nice ensuite bathroom.
Welcome to the neighborhood. What are we, like 15 minutes from your house?
20.
30 minutes to get here. Yeah.
Come on. Come on in.
Wow.
First thoughts?
I didn't think it was that deep.
It's not really my style. There's a lot of levels, the arches.
If you don't like levels, how are you staying in your house? And then you have your main bath.
It's not my style, David. It's not gonna work.
We have no room in our house for an ensuite.
No, we're not gonna get this in our house.
An ensuite is a good thing.
Hilary's team gets to work demolishing the house while David continues his hunt with Earl and Nina.
So this house is not exactly in Earl and Nina's neighborhood. Actually, it's not close. It's 20 minutes away. However, this house is pretty darn incredible. It's basically brand new. 5 bedrooms, 5 bathrooms. A finished basement, a garage. And this house really does hit all their criteria.
It's a nice house.
Yeah?
Yeah.
This house gives you everything that you want.
Yep.
Come on, let's go.
All right.
Wow.
Wow.
You've got the bench seating as you walk in, so you have a place to sit down, take your boots off.
Wow.
Wow. It's modern. I like the feel of the house.
Yeah.
I mean, have a look that way.
Nice open. Look at the size of the island.
Very pretty. I like the house.
Right.
It's a lot of stairs. It is separated out, similar to the way our house is.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$1,300,000.
What do you think?
$1,350,000.
This house is listed at $1,285,000.
Wow.
Which is below the top end of your budget. This house is 12 minutes from Earl and Nina's, and it is a fantastic neighborhood they are going to love. And the house is fully renovated from top to bottom. 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, nice open concept main floor, lots of storage, fully finished basement. I mean, it's got so much that I don't think they're gonna get even once Hilary is done.
Oh.
Wow.
Okay.
This house has been completely renovated.
Right.
I like that.
I like the color.
And here you have your living room, dining room combination.
It's nice and open.
Does it feel big enough in terms of sort of a dining area and a living room area?
For me, it is.
There's enough space here.
Yeah.
And then you have access to your kitchen.
I like the finishes. I like the color scheme.
In terms of storage and counter space,
There's much more than we used to have, and I
Yeah.
can utilize that.
It's good. It's functional.
main bedroom.
Oh, wow. This
dear.
is really nice.
Yeah, this is trouble.
Yeah.
And this is definitely something to keep in mind.
Exactly what we need.
Yep. This is perfect.
And this changes your morning routine.
Yeah.
And this is something you're never gonna have.
No.
No.
I don't want to admit it, but it actually has a lot of the boxes checked.
And it's in our neighborhood.
What do you think this house is listed at?
$1,400,000.
What do you think?
$1,500,000.
This house is listed at $1,450,000.
Oh.
Over budget.
Right.
But I mean, I think if you think of the extras you're getting here, it's worth every penny.
You did well.
The extra space and options that this house has over theirs has to make it the better choice.
I didn't expect David to find this type of house at this price in our neighborhood.
Work on creating the new front door and path is almost complete, as a new window replaces the old front door and the carport entrance is bricked up. The kitchen cabinets and counters are installed. And finally, the finishing touches are put in place.
Earl, you have a very sexy, beautiful wife on your
do.
arm, but you now also have a very sexy entrance.
This is a very sexy entrance. This is sexy curb appeal. This is beautiful, Hilary.
Exactly what you
beautiful.
wanted, Earl.
Yeah.
He's smiling and happy even before we open the door.
Yes.
Good
It's
start.
gorgeous.
Let's go.
All right. Whoa, Shazam.
Come on in.
Whoa.
We are now standing in front of what used to be a window.
Yes.
And used to be your dining area.
Yes.
This is now, you can see a really spacious foyer.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes. Oh,
Wow, look
Love
at
it.
that.
It is huge, it is deep.
It's amazing.
We have in-floor heating here.
Really?
Amazing.
that nice?
Amazing.
Never heard of that.
Brilliant.
That's wonderful.
So far, so good.
What? Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. You nailed it. You nailed it.
Come all the way in.
Holy
Oh my God.
Look at that.
You have a wet bar.
That is
I
something.
love it.
Look at that. What?
I really always wanted a nice kitchen to entertain in.
This is incredible, Neen.
This is more than I expected.
Stunning. We got an island.
Well,
have
you
an
were pretty
island.
clear.
I know.
You have storage above, you have storage below.
That was wasted space.
Well, now it is beautiful walnut.
Gorgeous.
That's
And
incredible.
then we go to the main working wall of your kitchen.
Gorgeous. Love the double sink there.
Here is your dining table, your original dining table. It's level, it's insulated, it's the way it should be.
Right. Unbelievable.
If you're having dinner, you can add that as a place to put out
Right.
dishes as a buffet.
We never felt proud of entertaining here. This is now an adult space.
So they did quite a job in here, huh?
A little bit of work happened.
And we are super excited about
Listen,
it.
all the work that you've done here has added some serious value
Yes.
to this house.
Absolutely.
The pre-renovation value of this home was $1.2 million. With a final renovation budget of $140,000, the new value of this home is $1.5 million. That's an increase in value of $300,000.
Talk about it and decide which house you think makes the most sense for your family. Decision made?
Decision made.
And are you going to love it?
Or are you going to list it?
It was a hard decision, but we're gonna love it.
Haha,
All the extras.
David,
true.
They were like lots.
you made it really difficult for us. You really did. But you can't compare to what Hilary's done to my kitchen, to our living space here, to the front entrance.
I have to say, Hilary, you killed it.
You got your sexy, Earl.
I got my sexy.
You see, you just didn't do the sexy.
I'm gonna work on my sexy.
Just saying.